Now it's time for assembly, and these are the components that you're going to need to be able to assemble this. You are bringing in your own AA batteries, so don't forget about that. You're going to get this little plastic piece that's just very fragile from your instructor, so be careful with it. It may be a 1/4 inch thick, or you may have two of these that are an 1/8 inch thick, depending on where he's mooching plastic from. Okay. Then you have some nuts and bolts, and you can go ahead and place the bolts in the holes, and then from there, I would say the easiest thing to do right now would be to place your batteries in, and then that's going to hold those in place. We're going to eventually have to take them out one at a time to the batteries to screw those in, but for right now they're not going to fall out, and we're not going to have to wrestle with that. The next step is to go ahead and place our plastic buffer piece here so that we have a place to uh, protect the inside of our prototype board as well as place our wires. Okay, so that's going to be kind of bent over. All right, so we're going to fold this over like this and stick it in there and just kind of pinch it down in this area and then fold it over some more so that we can get the holes lined up with the bolts. Okay. Now you may have to mess around a little bit with these wires back here. You may find that, oops, that something has gotten snaggled in there. You might have to take it apart, but this one happened to go on pretty easily. Then I'm going to take my nuts and go ahead and place them on the bolts and screw them down. Once that's accomplished and they're held in place, I can remove one battery at a time, take a screwdriver, kind of hold this in place, tighten it down a little bit more. Same thing over here. They don't need to be super duper tight. They're not going to go anywhere. And then you should be able to press your button and boom, you've got a flashlight.